Hey guys, happy, what day is it? Wednesday. It's Whopper Wednesday. Woohoo. My 9-year-old's going, are we doing Burger King today? Yes, we are. We love our Whoppers. Anyways, I'm on here, and yes, it's going to be a magic day when we finally paint the room in here. But yes, you can still see the patch there. It's not been painted yet. Don't give me grief. Getting there, getting there. Oh, and my 5-year-old's work computer is here. If you saw the picture. All right, so let's get into it. How do you use this Cheetah method? This is really simple, guys. There's always those programs that have a ton of sort of things to do, and you get confused, and it's just like this is step by step. This is really easy. And when we launch this as a full training program, there will be all the videos that go along with it. That'll be Cheetah 2.0. I'm working on it right now, so it is coming out. But you definitely want to grab this for whatever the $5 for the downs, whatever it's going to cost, so you can get started now. And then when Cheetah 2.0 comes out, you can actually grab that and you can promote it, and you'll get the much bigger bang. There'll be bigger offers in it and stuff like that. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to go over. So the first thing is the okay. So when you get it, this is the page you're going to be taken to. This is a thank you page, right? So you're just going to basically click this blue button. But read through this, guys, because these are my 6 top revenue systems. So there's Legendary Marketer. You definitely want to be part of that. Perpetual Income, which rocks. I'm all in there. Super Funnel Hero, again, I'm all in there. ClickBank Super Funnel. This is John Thornhill, amazing. List Leverage, which I get commissions every week from, and Traffic Authority, which is a huge money-making traffic source. You definitely want to be a member of. So I recommend getting those, because if you're in those, then you can also put them into the Rebrander, which is really cool. And then you give that Rebrander away. All right, so download Cheetah Raw. So you go here, and you will get the PDF. So what does the PDF look like? It looks like this. You get to go step by step. And again, here are those programs if you want to join them. You get your 14-day free trial of Clickfunnels. And then all you need to do is click this, and it's going to import the Cheetah method solo ad, like the funnel for you right there. This is what you're going to be using. And then you want to go to Warrior Plus. You want to search Cheetah. When you look for Cheetah, you'll find it. Get your link there. All done. Click on request button and write, here's my, get my approval code, Cheetah. And then this will be what your link looks like. You take it, go through, and just follow the steps, guys. This is how you set up your Aweber. This is how you set up your confirmation message. This is how you set up your list in Aweber. This is all really easy steps, guys. Just go through it step by step. And this is how you'll see, click here if this window does not pop up. This is how you want to change the coding. And that's where you put your affiliate link in, right? So check it out here. This is how you do your links. I'm using a tracker there, guys. You don't have to. You can just use the direct affiliate link right there. Boom, like that. This is the form you're going to use if you're using the free Aweber. You can put this form in. Any of the red things is what you're going to change. You're going to change the list number, and it tells you how to get that information. There's the links you're going to put in. That's all you need to change. That's how you get your list number. This is how you do the integrations in ClickFunnels. So, guys, it's basic. You just go through step by step by step by step. Go over, get some traffic from Jonathan, or better yet, Traffic Blade. And I will do a video later. I'm going to order some traffic from Traffic Blade, so I'm going to show you exactly how I order it. There's Traffic Authority. You can order it through there. They also, all 3 of these traffic sources are going to get you sales, guys. Well, I can't guarantee they're going to get you sales. They get me sales when I use it. And then scaling your business, go look for other offers. And that's how you use the Cheetah method. Very, very simple. Now, if you want to use the Rebrander, this is the Rebrander. So like I said, so what you do is go get your Legendary Marketer, right? Click here, and then you'd put your Legendary Market number in there, right? Right here, Perpetual Income, you'd put your name in for ClickBank ID. Super Funnel Hero, you'd put your Warrior Plus. John Thornhill, again, your ClickBank ID. List Leverage is going to be your ID. Traffic Authority is going to be your name ID. ClickFunnels, of course, is going to be that number that's in your affiliate ID, which I show you. Join the affiliate program for Aweber. This will be a number. Namecheap is you get it through Share a Sale. It'll be a number. And Udemy will be on when you join Udemy. They give you a referral link, and all you need is the reference ID number. Okay, and then Traffic Blade, same thing. They will give you an affiliate name. So like mine is Glenn.Murray there, and you put in all those, right? So boom, you just put these in, and you go through, put them all in like I'm doing here. Of course, they will be yours. And then, so once all these are in, you go rebrand it, and there, it downloaded a PDF with all your affiliate links in it. That's how you use it. That's why it's so powerful. It's so great. And then you go give this away. Right here, you give it away, and all these become your links, guys. Well, of course, the Facebook group is to my group, but this link will become your ID. This will be your Clickfunnels. They'll import the funnel in through your, once they've joined your account here. Warrior Plus, all these stuff, right? That's how you do it. So hopefully, let me jump back on here so I can see myself. Where's my window? I don't know where it is. Ecamm. There I am. All right. So that's how easy it is to use the Cheetah method. And what I recommend doing is actually going and making a review. Go get it, right? Pick it up for the downsell of $5. Go through it, make a review, show the rebrander, show how you use the rebrander, how you do it. And I would make a review on it and go throw it on YouTube and say, hey, buy it, so that they buy the Cheetah method through your link on YouTube, and then they're able to do it and use this as a tool. So hopefully, guys, that's helpful for you. If you don't have it yet, I highly recommend getting it. It shows you exactly how to set up the email marketing business that every marketer that is successful is using. It's the exact same tool that we all use. We have a landing page that feeds into an autoresponder, and then we send them to an offer. And after they're in our autoresponder, we email them, and we go find other offers to email them in that niche, and that's how you use it. So it's very, very simple. I don't know what else to say. I can't make it any easier. You know, I can't make it any easier, because this is the steps you need to take if you want to be successful. There isn't another way to do this except by doing this. There's other ways that you can produce traffic, and there's lots of great programs on Warrior Plus and JVZoo and stuff, but at the end of the day, you're still going to need this component for your business to work, right? And if you can really hone the skills of this one component, your business is going to, no matter what program you go and promote, your business is going to grow, because what you're doing is you're bringing in traffic into a funnel that gives them an offer, and it turns them into buyers. So that's basically it in a nutshell. So hopefully go grab your Cheetah method, get it set up, get all these tools set up, and get going on it. I know some of you are on a shoestring budget. You can get Aweber for free. You can get Clickfunnels on the 14-day trial. But when you do that, don't waste time. Don't go, and then waste 5 or 6 days. Get traffic going to it right away. Don't go spam your link on Facebook. It's kind of fine to spam your name on Twitter, or your link on Twitter, because you can send people right to the thing. But Facebook, make a Google Doc, and then send people the Google Doc that has your link in it. That way, Facebook won't flag you. They'll just say, hey, or if they message you, create a Google Doc. I just made a Google Doc for someone that wanted some rebrand stuff. So I just said, well, instead of putting it into Facebook, I just put it into a Google Doc and said, here's the links here in this Google Doc, right? And then I send them the Google Doc, which has the links in it. So make sure you're using that method so that you do not get spanked by Facebook, because they will spank you. That they don't like you putting in links that take them away from their platform, that lead them to another affiliate offer page. All right, guys. Comment below if you watch this live, if you're watching it on the review. Make sure you hit replay. But seriously, guys, go use this method. It's going to cost you next to nothing to get started. You'll have 2 full weeks of being able to use this and getting traffic in. Look for my emails too. There's some other really great tools for building traffic. But again, you still need this fundamental system. No matter what system you go get and use and implement, right? you still need this fundamental system. And the other ones, the other trainings that you may get are just going to improve upon this, right? So it's just going to improve upon this. Oh, one more thing. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe. And I'll put a link to the Cheetah method that you can get it right below if you don't know what I'm talking about, because I am doing this in my Facebook group. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one, and take care. And I'm going to do a video on how you order traffic, and I'll show you exactly how I order traffic. It's going to be exactly how you order traffic. There's no secrets. I'm not doing anything different. Just doing the same thing as you. I might use a tracker link, but that's just for me, and you don't need a tracker yet. That's for when you get more advanced. Get the commissions coming in. Once you get commissions coming in, then start using a tracker. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.